This Coldwell Banker Lake Oconee Realty / Lake Country property video is presented by Lacey Groeninger. Refined lake access residence in the coveted Sebastian Cove community on Lake Oconee. This 4-bedroom / 3.5-bath home offers vaulted ceilings, bespoke finishes, and exceptional indoor-outdoor living with sliding pocket glass doors opening to a vaulted covered porch overlooking a private fenced retreat with resort-style pool and hot tub. Includes an assigned slip on a shared dock. Expansive unfinished basement with bath stub-out and additional pocket sliders offer premier customization potential. 3-car garage with bonus space above for additional storage or room to grow. Aquasana whole home filtration. Dual water heaters with circulator. An 80-pound/day ice machine. Approximately 1.3 acres designed for elevated lake living and effortless entertainment.